Has your Samsung phone become slow? Delete other storage in just 1 minute and make your phone lightning fast. Before we start, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. So just like always, let's begin from the start. First, go to your phone settings. In Settings, scroll down and find the Apps option. Then enter. Once inside Apps, on the right side you'll see the Filter option. Press on it. Here, under the Sort by section, you'll see the option for size. Selecting this arranges your apps from biggest to smallest based on storage use. It helps you quickly find which apps take up the most space. Choose size and press OK. Now, whichever app appears at the top means it is taking up the most storage. Select that app. Scroll down and go to the storage option. Now here's something important to understand. If someone tells you that clearing cache will delete other storage, they are wrong. Clearing cache only removes temporary files from apps, which might free up a little space. But the other storage usually contains system files, updates, and hidden data. So this method won't completely fix the issue. To actually delete other storage, you need to install an app. For that, open the Play Store. In the search bar, type Storage Analyzer. After searching, install the Storage Analyzer app. Once installed, open it. At the start, it will ask for permission. Press Grant Permission and enable the toggle for Storage Analyzer. Wait for it to scan your files. Once scanning is complete, go to File Categories. Inside File Categories, press on Others. Open a folder. Then press the 3 dots at the top right. From this menu, choose Select All. Now, press the delete icon and the files will be deleted. Repeat this process until all other files are gone. Now your phone will have more free space. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like the video.